Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can get a blur background in your videos on the CapCut PC. So here, just add your clips and head to the video effects. Find the blur effect under the lens category. So here, I'm going to just scroll down and add the blur effect. Okay, this one. So add it to your clip. Adjust the intensity of the blur. So I'm going to go maybe with 28 and apply it to all of your clips like this. Then just export this video first. Okay, click on export and just wait until it finishes. So after it's done exporting, you can just go to the media and add this video that you export into the CapCut. So you'll have one video with the blurred background, blurred, and also the other video who. Okay, this is the blur one and this is the original one. So add the blur one to the CapCut and then make the blur one as the main video and the original one put it on top like this, and just remove the background of this video. So click on the original video, go to cutout, and you can just use the auto cutout if you have a portrait video like this, so it will make you easier to remove the background. And after this finish, you'll have that blurred background that you want. So you can just wait until it finishes. Okay, so the outer cutout has been completed and the background of the original video has been removed, and you'll have this blurred background as your new background video, your new video background. You can see now the background is blurred but the person is not. Okay, so that's all from this video.